name Prashant. I'm coming from Udumalpet. I currently completed my BE Computer Science degree in Bannariam Institute of Technology in Satyamangalam, and I was currently completed my AWS and cloud course in Qtree Course Center in Coimbatore. I was covered the topics in AWS is VPC, EC2, FT, IAM, ELBC, CloudWatch, Lambda, etc. In DevOps, I was covered the Terraform concept and pipeline concepts and containerization concept. These concepts and all I covered in DevOps. Okay, and we talk about our project. I will present my project in here. Terraform Capstone project. Today I was present to my Terraform Capstone project with an hosted infrastructure as a code on AWS using Terraform. The goal of this project is to automate the deployment of AWS infrastructure, subnet ID, security group, and key path. Next, S3 object storage module, and create a S3 bucket for object storage. Versioning is enabled to protect the data. Server slides encryption is enabled for security. Public access is locked to maintain the security and compliance. This is our Terraform life cycle work of our project. Terraform initialize the work direction. And okay, in modules we have three major modules: main.tf, variable.tf, output.tf. In main.tf, make the scalability and code reusability. Okay, finally, after running the Terraform plan, the following resources was successfully provisioned. Terraform output provides resources information such as VPC ID. It is a main.tf of our project. It is the output.tf and the variable.tf of our project. Okay, let's run Terraform edit. It was initialize the direction of our project. Download AWS product plugin. We are using the components EC2 VPC SD bucket in this project. Terraform generate an execution plan. Show what the resources will be created and or modified. It is the use of Terraform plan. Next, we are using the next command Terraform apply. By using this command, and it created the AWS resources based on the configuration above file, and the output will be displayed. The display useful information such as VPC ID, EC2 public IP address, and S3 bucket AR. The main advantage of this project is automation. Automation is the main advantage of this project. After running the Terraform completed, after running the Terraform apply, the following resources successfully to public ID bucket name, and this confirms that the infrastructure was successfully deployed. I go to console and do the creation of the EC2, and the next we will connect the server to we will connect the server. The advantage of this project is infrastructure automation using Terraform. Okay, the VP is connected successfully. It is our project. The automation of the Terraform using module. It is our project. The EC2 is connected. The status is passed. The conclusion of this project is to conclude with this project demonstration how the Terraform can automate the AWS infrastructure deployment using the module structure by combining VPC, EC2, and S3 modules can be created scalable, secure, and reusable cloud environmental efficiently. Thank you. Thank you for giving this opportunity.